Hey guys, it's your girl Real Bethy B. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're most definitely welcome. Whatever platform you are seeing this video, either on YouTube or Facebook, kindly subscribe and follow respectively. It means you support what I do and also a way of boosting my platforms. If you have already done that, thank you so much. I greatly appreciate your support. And if you have not done that already, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. Without further ado, let's get started. I must say thanks to procrastination because this video is long overdue. Nevertheless, I'm excited to bring this at long last. So in this video, I'll be showing you how I make my vegetable pies. Kindly check the description box below for ingredients used and other related videos. Starting off with the filling, so sauteing some onions and then the minced beef goes in. And while that is ongoing, I'll briefly make the dough on the side as a multitasker now. So that's a flour mix of flour, baking powder, and my signature baking ingredient. And I went in with some water and eggs. So I need to make that into a form in a way that it will be less sticky and at the same time not hard, as you can see in this video. So from there, once I get my desired consistency, I cover up with a damp kitchen towel until I am ready to do the task, to do justice. Back with the filling, I throw in some peppers, I don't really know, seasoning, turmeric, Suya spice, and herb spice. What comes next? Then mixed all of that together, went in with the carrots, mixed again before adding some water to steam on low heat. And once I discovered that the carrot is semi-done, I go in with the potato. I cover up again until everything is well done. I'm just doing my best even though I'm so stressed out. There's no two ways about it. It's usually watery, so I go in again with some flour. So I do this in bits so that the flour will not get too much, because I need to maintain that juiciness. You know, the juicy texture of the filling is a big deal for me, as you can see over there. And then once that is done, I transfer into a flat plate to cool. It just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Let the most important task begin. I transfer the dough onto my cutting surface, my pastry surface, and cut them into desired sizes. So in this video, I made about 20 pieces of the pies. They were quite mini. So, and at the same time, because I'm not using scale, so I already use my eyes as the scale. You know, when you are gifted, forget it. I flatten this, not so thin and not so thick, like average medium. Then pour in the filling, cover tightly. I pin with my fingertips before going in with the fork. You know, it doesn't make sense when you make pies and they all open their mouths in your baking tray. So I try as much as possible to pin it properly before going in with the fork. So I'll do the same process for all of it until the dough is finished. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. Poke with fork. glaze with whisked eggs before going into the preheated oven. And I will bake at 180 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. And here you have it. I was so excited making this, and at the same time there was power cut 30 minutes before baking, but I was like, no shaking now. So, and then the journey began, you know. The way you make your dough really matters, and as you can see from here, the dough is not thick and it's not thin. The most important thing is the stuff inside. I hope you like this video. Kindly give it a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on the notification so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see you.